Now, how can you save files to the Photos app on the iPhone? Let's talk about that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now, whenever you have something inside of the Files app, like it might be a photo or a video, you can locate it as usual, but the point is that we want to move it into the Photos app, right? And it kind of works a little bit different running the iOS 26, so this is what I'm going to stick with. Now, of course, go to the Files app like that, locate your photos or whatever it is. You can hold down on it and you need to click on Share from the options that appear. And you might see some options right away, but one of them should be the Save Image, right? So the UI is slightly different compared to the iOS 18, which was before, but when you click on Save Image, this picture will be moved. I mean, it will just be copied, right, from the Files app to the Photos gallery. So it will stay in both places unless you delete it from one of them. But this is how you can move it to the Photos application. Keep in mind, however, that the Photos app only supports videos and photos in various different formats. Like you can import JPEGs, PNGs, and even GIFs, but you don't really have the ability to import like PDFs into the Photos app, right? So that's how it works. That's how you can move stuff in here. Let me know in the comments below if you achieved what you wanted, but I'm gonna wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.